Welcome back everyone. It's been a while since the last vid, but I'm back in action. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pro level characters. Chapter 1. Sparking your imagination.
What to draw? What should I draw? Should I give this character a sword? How about an axe? Ooh, maybe you should be a future-gen character. How about a Roman character?
Are you trying to draw a pro level character?
Who are you?
Come on, man. You're gonna need this to make pro level characters.
Okay.
Before we start drawing, we need to build a foundation for our character, like when they exist, their personality, and their powers, if they have any. To create this foundation, you need to spark your imagination. This usually requires some research. For example, the character I'll be making will be around the Viking era. He is also a giant with super strength. Comment down below if you want to know the incredible origin story of this character. Now we have a spark, next we need to add the fuel. This is where I like to use Pinterest to get design and pose ideas. When getting inspiration from Pinterest, make sure you do not copy people's exact artworks, but you can modify certain elements to better suit your character. Chapter 2. Brainstorming. Now that we have our engine running, we can start to develop this character. This involves sketching out different designs for your character and poses to best showcase your character. There is no need to perfect these sketches, just keep them simple and basic. During this process, I like to start drafting out the story of the character. Once you're done brainstorming, select the best character features and details that best suit your image of the character, and a pose I'll showcase your character in the best way. Then you can piece these elements together like a puzzle to form a complete character. Method I like to use for piecing together character costumes is by drawing the character design from 3 angles: front, side, and back, to have a full overview of the character. It also serves as a good reference when doing the final drawing. Chapter 3. Drawing the character. Now that we've made the character, it's time to draw the character. For drawings like these, I like to use the A3 Bristol boards. The first step in drawing the character is to draw out the pose using basic shapes and adding basic anatomical detail. This is the stage where you want to get the pose right, instead of coming back later when all the costume details are in. Chapter 4. Adding costume details and background. Once the pose is complete, you can add the costume details from the brainstorming stage. Since this character is based around the Viking era, I kept his armor simple and added tattoos along his right chest and arm. This process would take extremely long if you skip the brainstorming stage, as you won't have a clear picture of the character design. Therefore, you will make several changes to the costume, which comes at the cost of wearing down the paper from erasing. background is also very important in showcasing your character and telling your viewer more about your character. Like in this drawing, I drew a small village near the character and mountains to exaggerate the size of the character. And to show the strength of the character, I showed him holding an asteroid. Chapter 5. Inking. That's right, the best part of the process is here. The first step of inking is to outline the whole drawing using the thinnest marker. This will make the line weight pop even more. Once you have done this, you can start to add the deep blacks for shadows. I like to do this using the brush pen. To complete the inking of the character, I cleaned the shadows and added the hatching lines and line weight. I also used hatching lines and line weight to complete the background. And that's how you draw pro level characters. I hope you enjoyed today's video. In the next vid, I'll show you how I complete this drawing using colors digitally. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the reveal.